Mostly clear tonight, low 70 tomorrow, mostly sunny again. More humid up to 90.
Home Depot, more safe, more doing. Helps cut drying time to less than 45 minutes. If you have a schedule to keep, you don't want to sit around waiting on a wet carpet. The Hoover Power Scrub Elite, just $148, only at the Home Depot. More safe, more doing. U.S. only while supplies last. See store for details, valid through July 11th.
Right now at CVS Pharmacy, you can earn up to 50 extra bucks rewards each year just for filling prescriptions, which means the medicines you take to stay healthy might also do a little something for the health of your wallet. So visit your local CVS Pharmacy to sign up and get started.
Come on, man.
Enter to win an overnight stay for a family of 4. No purchase necessary. See rules at KalahariFamilyGetaway.com.
Right now, you can save up to 25% off grocery store prices. No, this isn't an ad for an amazing sale. It's what happens at BJ's Wholesale Club every single day. That's right.
On water exported by Navy SEALs instead of learning to dive and swim. The pumping speed has accelerated and it may be the best option for now.
Billy D. Williams will return. Made his suave debut, can you believe it, back in 1980's Empire Strikes Back. George Clooney was treated at a hospital today after crashing his motorcycle on the Italian island of Sardinia. Officials say the injuries weren't serious. He was treated and released. Tom Hanks' 1980s classic Big returns to theaters next week to mark the 30th anniversary